What's up, everybody? Happy New Year. It's been a while since we've posted up a vlog, and it is snowing here in New York City. We got a lot of snow that came down, as you can kind of see all around me here. This is the parking lot where we live, and we're just gonna come down to shovel out the car. By the way, we bought a new car right here behind me. You can't tell it too much because it is covered in snow, but another day I'll give you guys a tour of the new vehicle, and I'll tell you the story about how we were able to buy this this car here. We're gonna do some shoveling right now. The kids are gonna play a little bit. They're gonna hopefully maybe make a snowman and just throw some snowballs, get into a snowball fight. And we're just gonna try to dig out my car a little bit here and just try to enjoy the snow. We had in some parts up to 18 inches of snow that fell, and right now it is actually still snowing. And they declared a New York state of emergency, and they're calling this a blizzard. It was originally a nor'easter, but they went ahead and called it a blizzard. So got a little bit of work ahead of me to do to dig out the car, just to make sure we have easy access to come in and out if we have to go to the supermarket or anything like that. And we're just gonna let the kids have a little bit of fun with this stuff. Sometimes you get the really light and fluffy snow, and sometimes you get more of a mixture with sleet. This snow, check it out. Look, when I put this in the snow, look, it's like slicing through it. It's really dense. So we got a really heavy snow. It makes it a little bit more difficult to shovel. It's not the light powdery stuff that maybe you think of when you see snow. It came down pretty hard, and it kind of got mixed up with some little bit of moisture, and it produces this really heavy, wet snow. So that's what we're dealing with.
Yeah, Daddy's just taking video of you.
I'll tell you, that's not necessary.
The laundry room. Why? Because
it's cold.
They got cold and they were all wet. Yeah. But we're gonna go back out because we're gonna go show you the final product of the snowman. Yeah. And then we're gonna go take a walk and pick up our food that's not too far away. So let's go outside, guys, before it gets dark.
The sesame chicken? Yeah. Did you order the sesame?
See that tiny little thing popping out of the floor? It's the snowman. Here we go.
It even has eyes, and it's smoking.
Oh, let me see. Oh, this way looks better like this.
There's an arm here. Eyes, the nose, the cigarette thing.
Oh boy. The pipe. Is that what you were trying to do? A pipe?
Oh, look.
Oh, and he's gonna go down.
Okay, it's not connected to the body. Yeah.
Oh boy.
It's good.
Okay, so if the storm comes, guess what?
Yeah.
He's going down.
Goodbye.
All right, good job, Melody. Good job, Christian. Are you guys still cold?
Kind of.
Melody and Christian had to take off their gloves because they got all wet. Oh, that's too big for it. All right, guys, let's get ready because Daddy's ready for us.
We finished digging out the car. We've been out here probably a little bit more than an hour. It took a while because there's so much snow. The kids had a little bit of fun there. I think you guys got to see their little snowman that they made. And now we're just gonna take a walk to the Chinese restaurant. Gonna treat the family with some Chinese. It's been a very long time since we had some good Chinese, so we're gonna go to the local Chinese restaurant just to pick up some takeout and also just to support, you know, our local restaurants and businesses. They've had a tough time, you know, throughout this whole pandemic and such. So we're gonna go and support a little bit. Melody, did you have fun?
Yeah.
What was the name of your snowman?
David.
You called him David?
Yeah.
You had a good time, Christian? Alrighty, so we're just gonna carefully walk towards the Chinese restaurant and then we're gonna call it a night. So I know this is a short one. Thank you guys for tracking with us. We are going on vacation very soon, so be looking forward to a travel vlog in the near future. Thank you guys for tracking with us. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and we'll catch you in the next video. Take care.
I can't get up, Dad.